Hey, what's up guys, V here. So, finally got my hands on my Note 10. Came in the mail actually yesterday here. Just gonna be doing a quick unboxing and let you know a little bit about what's in the box. You pretty much know, I mean there's 1,000 videos out there now, but let's bust it open. So we got your Samsung, let's see, standard with Samsung. Got the box, usually has the instructions, SIM injection tool there, instructions and all that. I will go over that a little bit later. Got the device, oops, right there, Samsung branding there. Got your power brick here, fast charging. Then we got USB, micro USB to USB Type C, transfer adapter. What else we got in here? Looks like got the S Pen tool in here also. Let me see. Oh, I had to bust it. I'll break that open. There we go. Change the tip on your S Pen. That to the side. Your cable there, charging cable, USB Type C, just pops right in there. Go. And your normal, usual, well not usual, but these are the AKG headphones. Nice, they're braided and everything. And then this part here is your volume up and down. And because it has no headphone jack now, you got the USB Type C cable for your headphones. I mean, so there you go. I know everybody's all up and at 'em about the headphone jack not being there, but it doesn't really bother me. I never used it on the Note 9. So we have a, there's your plastic there on the back. Oh man, that's nice. I got the Aurora Black. Your cameras, little screen protector on there. We'll get another screen protector later, so I usually pull that off. Got your camera right there, little punch hole, volume up and down. Here's a button you can map. You hold it down, that's the Bixby button. You can change that within the settings though, so I'm told. So there it is. That is the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Nice phone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop my information here and I'll be right back. Alright, got everything set up. As you can see, I go through Sprint usually. Here's the home screen. Unlock pattern, got everything set up in here already. Got your normal drag down menu here. Now I looked at the power button is now right here. So you just tap that, and you get the power off and stuff. Your normal home key there. And this here is your apps that are open. I usually close them all, get them out of the way. I got a bunch of stuff loaded on here already. I did the smart switch. There's that. And of course, we have up here, SIM slot, your microphone, another microphone there for the pinpoint microphone. And then we have the speaker down here, USB Type C. I'm sorry, yeah, USB Type C cable slot, of course. No headphone jack, microphone there. We already been over all that earlier. So there we have it. I'm gonna be doing a messing around with this for a little bit. I will make some more videos about some of the features on here. You got your drag down. Everything else is pretty much basic with Samsung as far as like you know, all your settings, Bluetooth, sound, all that. It'll drag down, and the thing that got me was the power. So there's the power. I was like, how do you turn this thing off? So there it is. And there's other ways also, but that's the easiest way. So, like, comment, subscribe. I will be back. I'm going to be doing a few tests. Oh, I'm sorry. And there's the S Pen there. I will be doing some tests with the S Pen, drawing and all that, because I love to draw with it usually. So I use it a lot. There it is. Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This is V. I'm out.